What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara Chanel, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on the beat or Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Today, we giving grown and sex. We giving falling for you. We giving a whole lot of vibes with this like burgundy Coca-Cola situation. The hair is from Alipearl. Shout out to Alipearl. This is their 13x4 22-inch lace frontal. Texture was body wave, but when I got it in the mail, it came like completely curled. Like, this is kind of backwards low key because the unit came curled already. Like, it came ready to wear pretty much. But I wanted to add some color, spice it up a little bit, and we came up with this. Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair is looking. I used rich amber and a little bit of cinnamon to achieve this color. It's mainly rich amber. It's very mature. It's like 99J Big Sister, basically. I'm gonna be using the Kiss Almighty Bond. I love the applicator, but the freaking tip, the precision tip side, always get like stuck. Two layers is good enough for me, but I really like this color on myself. I really do think it makes me look a little bit more mature. See, the precision tip is perfect for this part right here. So you guys could see I still got some lace that needs to be laid down. And the precision part is perfect for this. But the gag is, child, ain't no glue coming out on this end. Ain't no glue coming out on this end, so. After this, I would normally go ahead and tie my hairline down. But I don't know what I did with the band. It's nowhere to be found. The scarf don't have to do the job today, y'all. And as y'all can see, the lace is melted to begin with. But I'm definitely doing the side part today. I barely got the motherfucking sad part, to be honest. What's going on here? I am gonna blow my hair out really quick. I went ahead and I applied some Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Blowing the hair out really does make a difference. The hair is just buttery smooth right now. It got rid of the waves for the most part. I can go ahead and blow dry this part again if I wanted to get a little bit more straight, but I'm okay with it. So I'm just go ahead and I'm gonna curl it, and I'm gonna also be pinning these curls just so they can set a little longer. The first time I did curl his hair, it didn't last as long as I would like for it to. You're gonna see if it was just the circumstances or if this hair really came up to curl. Okay, y'all. It is 4:16. Don't mind the song. I'm on Pandora. I'm actually gonna let my hair sit. I gotta make a run. Just let my curls set for however long. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. It is 5:49. I'm back from my run, and as you can see, some of them are already falling down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, the curl's been set for a little minute. Not mad at the curls at all. Let's get into these little baby hairs. Hello, scalp. I'm not gonna lie, the no baby hair look is eating. Give them a little 1, 2 right here, a little razzle dazzle, you know, not too crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing baby hair, guys. As y'all can see, I really didn't have to do much. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna use one of these because I really don't got no brush handy. I'm gonna define my part a little bit. And that'll be the freaking end of it. Take the wax stick, get rid of any flowing, and voila! Let me know what y'all think about this color as well as the hair itself. How did this turn out? I think it turned out pretty cute. Shout out to Alipearl for sending over this unit. Now, we like 1 month in with this unit. I wish this unit was a little bit thicker, like on the density side, other than the freaking tangling, and especially in the frontal area and like just holding the curl itself. I really don't have no complaints. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also turn on your post notifications so that you're aware when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.